It's a super fun crochet project to do, and as you can see, there's a lot of cool accessories and details that go along with this pattern. This doll itself has some removable pieces, which I'll show you right now. The backpack back here is one that you can actually open, close, and take off. Let me slide the straps off of the bunny right now. So here's the cute little backpack that she owns, and you can put in some tiny treasures, for example, buttons or little knickknacks right in this backpack. You can also tighten it. And she also has this cute little skirt here that's removable. Here is her hood. You can also take it off. And as you can see, the hood goes over the ears like so. There's a spot just for the ears to poke out of. And this bunny features double layered ears, nice and plush, and she has a sweater with cuffs. A lot of detail going on here, nice texturing in the middle, and here are her high knee socks and also her laced boots. So all in all, this is one of my favorite amigurumi designs to date. And again, you can grab your own kit for this from the Crochet Kit company. I will link that in the description box below. And I hope you enjoy making this cute little doll.